Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on getting to know the sectional volume command in Civil Site Design version 25.1. If you're looking for a quick and accurate way to calculate cut, fill and material volumes, this tool will make your job much easier. Let's dive in and explore how it works. Open your CAD software and go to the Roads tab. Under the Reports section, you'll see the familiar volume report option from previous versions. But in version 25.1, a new feature has been added: section volumes. Let's click on it and take a closer look. A window will pop up showing all the strings in your drawing on the left side. In the middle, we have several tabs, starting with the Sections tab. This tab provides a detailed breakdown of cut and fill quantities along with the stripping factor. Now, here's the exciting new part. Right in the bottom of the window, we have a section view that visually represents how the cut and fill look in each section. This makes it easier than ever to understand the calculations and fine-tune your design. Of course, you can customize how the sections appear. Just head over to the Settings tab above. For example, we tried unchecking the subgrade polygons to simplify the display, and as you can see, the section view updates instantly. Now, let's go back to the Sections tab and dig into some details. If your design includes an intersection, you'll notice that sections within the intersection appear in red. At these points, Civil Site Design pauses standard calculations and shifts focus to the curb returns, ensuring more precise volume measurements. As in the second road, the side road, all volume calculations stop at the intersection and curb return volumes take priority. But for the main road, calculations continue as usual, but sidewalk calculations are excluded while subgrade calculations remain intact. To help you quickly understand the data, cumulative cut areas volumes are highlighted in pink. On the other hand, cumulative fill areas volumes appear in green. And lastly, sections with no calculations, typically at trimmed intersections or cul-de-sacs, are shown with red cells across the row. Now, let's visualize all section views at once. Click on the Viewer button and a new window will display every section along the alignment. You can even adjust preferences in the Settings tab, customizing grid displays, colors, and more. Need to share your calculations? You can export the sections as a DWG file, and if we import it back into our drawing, it looks exactly as expected, clean and accurate. Let's move to the Materials tab. This table gives you a complete breakdown of all materials in your design. For a total material calculation, simply switch to the Total Material tab, where you'll see everything summed up in one place. What if you need to limit calculations to a specific range? That's where the Section Extents tab comes in. Say we want to stop fill calculations at the LEB code, just set the limit, click Calculate String, and Civil Site Design will adjust the results accordingly. Finally, in the Outputs tab, you can choose how you want your calculations to be displayed and exported, ensuring the final report matches your requirements. And there you have it. A faster, more detailed way to analyze sectional volumes with Civil Site Design 25.1. Whether you're handling simple roadways or complex intersections, this tool gives you precision and control over your volume calculations. Contact Present Trade today for your free trial and start exploring the power of Civil Site Design for yourself. Happy designing!